A hearing date is set, and Mayor LaToya Cantrell will be forced to attend if she wants a judge to extend the protective order that she got against a French Quarter woman.
Well, the mayor claims the woman has been taking harassing pictures of her in public. Here's WDSU's Travers Mackel live at 6 with what lawyers are saying about this. Travers.
Yeah, it's all the buzz in legal circles. Many lawyers find this whole matter very interesting. First, the mayor is not using a lawyer. She's representing herself and filed the petition for the protective order by herself. And this matter is not over. The mayor must appear in court and take the stand herself if she wants the protective order to be extended. Mayor LaToya Cantrell says she fears for her safety. Late Friday, the mayor went into civil court right across the street from City Hall and filed this petition seeking a protective order against a French Quarter woman Cantrell feels is taking harassing photos of her. The order was granted, signed by Judge Paulette Irons, which is not uncommon in situations like this.
When someone goes in and makes complaints that they're being harassed and that they're being stalked and followed and that they fear for their safety, judges don't really have a lot of choice when...
According to her filing, the mayor claims the woman, whose address is the Pontalba Apartments, where Cantrell used a city-owned apartment for months, was taking aggressive photos of her and harassing her while she ate lunch.
Look, photographing someone in a public place is not illegal.
But a spokesperson for the mayor claims she has every right to protect her safety, saying in a statement issued over the weekend, the mayor deserves the same respect she shows to others and the opportunity to pursue a good quality of life as she continues to serve the people of the city. The burden of proof to get the protective order extended will be on the mayor, and she will have to testify at a hearing that's set for next week.
She's going to have to take the stand, and it's she being the mayor, and she's going to be subject to cross-examination on all the details that she put in her affidavit, which may be a very uncomfortable thing for a public figure to do.
Now, the mayor's bodyguard, Jeffrey Vappy, has been reassigned after a picture surfaced of him having lunch with the mayor last month. That matter is under an internal investigation. The mayor also was forced to relinquish the city's Pontalba apartment about 2 months ago. Sulla.
Travers, thank you.